Hey guys, in this video we will be talking about what is computer. A computer is a programmable electronic device that accepts raw data as input and process it with a set of instructions are programmed to produce the result as output. It renders output just after programming mathematical and logical operations and can save the output for future use. It can process numerical as well as non-numerical calculations. The term computer is derived from the Latin Latin word computer which means to calculate. A computer is designed to execute applications and provides a variety of solutions through in- integrate hardware and software component. It works with the help of programs and represents the decimal number through a string of binary digits. It also has a memory that stores the data, programs, and result of processing. The components of a computer, such as machinery that includes wires, transistors, circuits, hard disk, are called hardware. Whereas the programs and data are called software. It is believed that the analytical engine was the first computer which was invented by Charles Babbage in 1837. It used it used punch cards as read-only memory. Babbage is also known as the father of the computer. The basic parts without which a computer cannot work are as follows. Processor. It executes instructions from software and hardware. Memory. It is the program memory for data transfer between the CPU and storage. Motherboard. It is the part that connect all other parts or computers of a computer of a component of a computer. Storage device. It permanently store the data, e.g. hard device. Input device. It allows use to communicate with the computer or to input data, e.g. a keyboard. Output device. It enables you to see the output, e.g. monitor. Computers are divided into different types based on different criteria. Based on the size, a computer can be divided into five types: microcomputer, mini computer, mainframe computer, supercomputer, workstations. Microcomputer. It is a single user computer which has less speed and storage capacity than the other types. It uses a microprocessor as a CPU. The first microcomputer was built with 8-bit microprocessor chips. The common examples of microcomputer include laptops, desktop computer, personal digit assistant, PDA, tablets, and smartphones. Microphones are generally designed and developed for general uses like browsing, searching for information, internet, MS Office, social media, etc. Mini computer. Mini computer are also known as mid-range computer. They are not designed for a single. They are multi-user computer designed to support multiple users. So they are generally used by small business and firms. Individual departments of a company use these computers for specific purposes. For example, the admission department of a university can use a mini computer for monitoring the admission process. Mainframe computer. It is also a multi-user computer capable of supporting thousands of users. They are used by large firms and government organizations to run their business operations as they can store and process large amounts of data. For example, banks, universities, and insurance computers use mainframe computers to store the data of their customers, students, and polyholders. A supercomputer. Supercomputers are the fastest and most expensive computer among all types of computers. They have huge storage capacities and computing speed, and thus can perform millions of instructions per second. The supercomputers are task specific and thus used for specialized applications such as large scale numerical problems in scientist and engineering disciplines, including application in electronics, petroleum engineering, weather forecasting, medicine, space search, and more. For example, NASA uses supercomputer for launching space satellites and monitoring and controlling them for space exploration. Workstations. It is a single user computer. Although it is like a personal computer, it has a more powerful microprocessor and a higher quality monitor than a microcomputer. In terms of storage capacity and speed, it comes between a personal computer and mini computer. Workstations are generally used for specialized applications such as desktop publishing, software development, and engineering designs. Benefits of using a computer: increasing increases your productivity. A computer increases your productivity. For example, after having a basic understanding of a word processor, you can create, edit, store, and print the documents easily and quickly. Connect to the internet. It connects you to the internet that allows you to send emails, browsers, content, gain information, use social media platforms, and more. By connecting to the internet, you can also connect to your long distance friends and family members. Storage. A computer allows you to store a large amount of information, e.g., you can store user projects, ebooks, documents, moves, pictures, songs, and more. Organized data and information. It not only allows you to store data but also enable you to organize your data. For example, you can create different folders to store different data and information, and thus can search for information easily and quickly. Improves your abilities. It helps write good English if you are not good at spellings and grammar. Similarly, if you are not good at math and don't have a great memory, you can use a computer to perform calculations and store the results. Assist the physically challenged. It can be used to help the physically challenged, e.g., Stephen hacking, who was not able to speak using a used computer to speak. It also can be used to help blind people by installing a special software to read what is on the screen. Keeps you entertained. You can use the computer to listen to song, watch movies, play games, and more. The computer has become a part of our life. There are plenty of things that we do in a day depend on a computer. Some of the common examples are as follows: ATM. While while withdraw cash from an ATM, you are using a computer that enable the ATM to take instructions and dispense cash accordingly. Digital currency. A computer keeps a record of your transaction and balance in your account, and the money deposited in your amount in a bank is stored as a digital record or digital currency. Trending trading. Stock markets use computer for day to day trending. There are many advanced algorithms based on computer that handled the trading without involving humans. Smartphone. The smartphone that we use throughout the day for calling, texting, browsing, is itself a computer. VoIP. All voice our IP communication VoIP is handheld and done by computer.